And go.
Hi, and welcome to this latest installment of Auto Finance News TV. If you turn on your TV for those late night Seinfeld episodes, you'll likely see less of those loud Cashback Now commercials from your local car dealership, so common in the days before 2004. It's partly because incentives quite simply aren't what they used to be. Incentives for car buying consumers should rise modestly in the near term, but they probably won't go back to the Wild West levels seen in the days before the Great Recession. That's according to a new report from the National Automobile Dealers Association. In truth, incentives helped grow new car sales, but they also contributed to lower used car values. By 2004, used vehicles were a commodity, with prices down much lower. That dynamic has changed with the onset of the economic recovery. More money is getting spent on finance and lease retention than on cashback offers, according to Larry Dixon, Senior Marketing Manager at NADA. He said in all likelihood, manufacturers will continue to allocate marketing dollars that way. Overall, the average spending for all incentive types is $2,574 per unit. That's down 12% from 2004's peak. Though incentive spending is still below pre-recession levels, it's ticked up around 3% when compared to last year. But even just a few years ago, the bells and whistles of cash incentives were much louder than ever. Dixon says that these days, manufacturers have a better understanding of the impact incentives have on the overall brand. OEMs are looking at things in a more circular way. In the past, it was about moving new product. And guess what? The value preservation of used vehicles is as much a function of the type of incentive applied as it is the total amount spent. The NADA study points out that not all incentives resonate equally with customers, so they don't have an equal impact on used car prices. So, looking into the crystal ball, what does that all mean for used car values? Dixon expects some downward pressure on used car prices because of the growth in the supply. But we shouldn't see a cataclysmic drop in value. Prices should remain steady, at least for the next few years. Check out autofinancenews.net to weigh in with your predictions for used car values and to find more posts about the latest industry trends.